This speech made me think about my current life.
You lived in your past. You lived in your past failures. You lived in your pain. And out of that, you turned out to be the person who is the result of that pain. Because you rehearse it every day. Kinakatakutan mo siya every day. It became part of your biochemistry. And now it's part of your biology. And now it's becoming you. And now you're saying, gusto ko yun, pero mukhang hindi. Ngayon you're conflicted because consciously gusto mo yung goal mo, pero ang baba-baba ng tingin mo sa sarili mo. Kasi gusto mo yung goal mo, pero hindi mo magawa. Hindi ko po alam kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Yung mga nagtatanong na hindi ko alam kung anong kailangan kong gawin, yung nagtatanong na yun, that's the conscious mind. Right? At least the conscious mind is asking, ano pa kaya ang pwede kong gawin para mahinto yung goal ko? That's your conscious mind. But yet, when you start working, you go back to your program mind. You go back to your program self. That's why you can never solve it by your own. Why? Because you tend to operate. You ask the question consciously, pero mag-ooperate ka ulit dun sa personality. A visionary is someone who feel emotions you've never felt before ever in your entire life. You can only turn your life around and your business around if you become a visionary again. When you don't simply live your life today as a reaction to your past. When you don't manage your business today simply as a reaction to your past. So, what's that goal you really want to pursue? Rise up beyond your personality and start thinking through your conscious mind. What is it that you really want to pursue? What is it that you really deserve because you know you're capable of making it happen?